If you're still testing features manually or writing brittle scripts that break every time you change a piece of code, you're wasting your time. Amazon has been building something massive for developers, and it recently dropped. No, it's not another coding model, but a service that allows developers to build reliable automation agents. This is a superpower that increases developers' velocity, and let me explain why. Since LLMs became a reality, agents have been referred to as systems that can act autonomously and help us automate tasks. But the reality? They don't scale. They don't work reliably for production scenarios, which makes them not great for real engineering. Agents that break in production don't reboot servers. They don't execute logic consistently. But Amazon Nova Act? This is different. This is the shift from generative AI to agentic AI that actually scales. Nova Act is hitting 90% reliability on early enterprise customer workflows, and that changes everything. We're going to use Nova Act Playground right now to do two things. First, I'm going to push a feature to a game that I've been building, and then Nova Act is going to automatically verify that feature. And then two, it's going to move the ticket from testing to done. What's crazy is most people don't even know that this is a thing. So, are you ready? Let's get into it. Quick side note, this video is sponsored by Amazon, but this tool is genuinely powerful and I'm excited to share it with you all. All right, so I'm gonna quickly go over the project. So we have this task board, which has in progress tasks, testing, and done. And we're gonna have an autonomous agent move all of this through all three steps as it tests our workflows. And then we have this whack-a-mole game. This whack-a-mole game is pretty simple. You just say start game. There's a timer of 60 seconds and it sees how many times you can whack-a-mole. And this is the project that we're going to be adding a feature to. And what we're going to be doing, instead of just every time you click a mole, you get 10 points, we're going to add a golden mole. And this golden mole allows you to add 50 points to your overall score for the game. But first, let's go ahead and just watch Nova Act do its thing. Now, what you need to do is go to nova.amazon.com/act, and then the query parameter is going to be tab equals playground, which is going to open up this Nova Act playground where you can type in pretty much any URL you want and then describe the actions you want complete, and then the UI agent will complete it for you. Now, they do have some examples for you. So it's like Hello World, QA agent, data extraction, flight search, and booking agent. But we're going to do it ourselves just so I can show you exactly what's going on. So right here, we have our whack-a-mole game. We can go ahead and just copy that URL right here, and we're going to name this agent whack-a-mole. And then here we need to describe exactly what's going to happen on the screen for the UI agent to be able to just do what we want it to do here. So describe an agent action. Now, what we're going to say here is just head to this link and press the start game button. So when we go here, we know it's going to come to the screen and we need to say start game. The next action is going to be moles will pop up. Please continue to select the moles until the game is over. And then the last action is once the game is over and the points match the clicks, which means it was successful. Each successful click is 10 points. So what we can do here is just go ahead and say run agent. And what it's going to do is going to initialize our agent with our provided instructions, and then we're going to actually see our game getting ran right here in the playground. So it went ahead, it's on the screen, it said start game, the time for the 60 seconds has started, and now the agent is clicking. So the agent literally just clicked the first mole and scored 10 points. It just clicked the second mole and got another 10 points. It's going to continue doing this until the game is over. Once the game is complete, we'll be able to see how many clicks it actually got within this 60-second time frame. And then it kind of gave us our entire agent output window. So the game is over now and the final score is 90, which means my last action was successful. I've clicked 9 moles and my score is 90, which means each click was successful. My task is complete and I need to return. So it worked and it was able to actually play our game, which was super unique and super fun. But you might be wondering, okay, so that's like a little bit of QA, but how does that actually help an entire developer workflow? What we can do is if we go back to our actual whack-a-mole dev flow, we have our task board, which has a couple features. I'm going to implement feature 101, which is to implement a special golden mole that appears randomly and awards bonus points, plus 50 when clicked. The golden mole will have a distinct golden appearance, so you'll know it's a golden mole and not a regular mole. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push that feature. Then we're going to create a new Nova Act playground that's going to start in dev flow. move the ticket to testing, test the ticket, come back, and then move that ticket to done. Really cool stuff. So let's go ahead and just jump into our code. We are in our develop. I already have a branch for this called feature 101 golden mole. And what we can do is just go ahead and merge that feature into develop. So I can say git merge, and we want to merge that into develop. We want to successfully merge that. So we now have it inside our git develop. I'm just going to push it into our develop environment. And then I'm going to check out our main, which is what we're actually seeing when we are running this application. Make sure there's nothing new inside here. We're going to merge our develop branch inside, and then we're going to push our branch. Now that automatically kicked off my CI/CD pipeline, which is going to enhance our application to eventually have this golden mole feature once it's complete. All right, so here we are. We're back to our whack-a-mole with this dev mode feature flag. If we go ahead and we click this on, we have golden mode enabled. And if we click the moles, that's a golden mole, which we now, if we click, goes up to 70. There's another golden mole. All right. So I'm going to stop this game, and we are going to have Amazon Nova Act go through every single step to make sure that the new feature works correctly, and then also complete all the tickets for us automatically. So we know we need to head over to the same website, but what we want to do this time, instead of going to Whack-A-Mole, is we want to go to our dev flow board. That is our board where we're keeping track of all the tickets we need to do. We then want to go ahead and instead we want to click on our ticket with the label of feature 101. So if we go back into our dev flow, it's right here, feature 101. When we click it, we want to move to testing, right? So let's go ahead and create a new action. And here we want to say scroll down to move to, and move to testing, then close the modal. Then we want to go back and go into Whack-A-Mole. So we want to add a new action, which is press the back button on the screen and then click the Whack-A-Mole tab. We then want to make sure that golden mole is enabled. So we can add a new action and just say, hey, turn on the golden mole and press start game button. Then we want to do the same thing as before, but this time we're going to have golden moles. So moles will pop up. Please continue to select the moles until the game is over, and your score should go up by 10 points each time unless you select a golden mole, which is 50 points. If you select this mole, then it was successful because that means our golden mole was integrated successfully. Once the game is over and the points match the clicks, which means it was successful, press the back to dev flow button. Then press the taskboard button. So we're right here, go back here, click the taskboard. This will already be in testing. So what we're going to want to do is select that feature again and move it to done. All right, let's see how this works out. We are saying go to the dev workflow, which is going to be this feature 101. They clicked on the new ticket. The agent just scrolled down the page, found the move to in the testing, and it's going to move the ticket to testing, and then it's going to close the modal. And we can see that the ticket successfully moved from in progress to testing. It just went back. It's now going to go to Whack-A-Mole. It's going to make sure that the dev mode feature flag of golden mole is on. Then it's going to proceed down to the start game, where it's going to play the game again for another 60 seconds. So it's going to select the first mole, which is going to be 10 points. Then it's going to select the second mole, which is going to be another 10 points. And now it found another mole. And now there's the golden mole bouncing in the middle. Once this golden mole is clicked, it'll give the agent 50 points instead of 10 points. And we can see that the game's almost over, but it did in fact give the agent 50 points. So it's going to make sure that, hey, that the points and the clicks matched up based on the click of the golden mole. If it finds out it's successful, it's going to go back to the task board, and it's going to move the ticket to done. And what's so cool about this is of course, I just went through the exact process of typing it all into a playground, but this can be fully automated. And now you have a UI agent that's doing QA testing, moving tickets on your behalf, and just starting to automate some of the workflow that you have to do in the browser yourself. This is such a powerful product and such a powerful service. I'm excited to see where it goes in the future. Hope you were able to learn something, and until next time.